right, let's take a look at our closed syllable patterns. Go ahead and write this first word on your whiteboard. Let's find the consonants and the vowels. Let's see. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Vowel, consonant. This one's tricky because I can see the word kick, and I know that when I add an ED, it's not gonna make a vowel sound. It's gonna sound like this, kicked. Right there is a short I. I know this is a short I because it's in a closed syllable. See how there's consonant sounds after this vowel sound? Kicked. Let's try the next one. Write this on your whiteboard. Can you find the vowels and the consonants? There's only one vowel sound. Oh, this one makes sense. One vowel sound means one syllable. Look at all those consonants after the vowel. This is a closed syllable. That E makes the short E sound. Eggs. Let's look at this one. Write it on your whiteboard. Let's find the consonants and the vowels. There's one vowel. That means it's definitely going to be one syllable. These are closed. This is a closed syllable because these are consonants. They end this syllable. Just. That's a short U. Let's look at this next word. Wow. Let's try labeling all those on our whiteboards. Go ahead and try it. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Vowel, consonant. That is so many vowels and consonants. Look at all those graphemes. This is doing the same thing with the ED. Even though there's a vowel there, it's not making its own syllable. Okay, let's see. I'm going to split between these consonants. Unfertilized. Unfertilized. This is a short vowel sound. I know it's short because it's in a closed syllable pattern. It's closed because the consonant comes after the vowel in this syllable. Unfertilized. Don't worry about the rest of that yet. We'll learn about these patterns later. Let's look at this word. Write it on your whiteboard. Can you identify the consonants and the vowels? Consonant, vowel. Consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's see. A lot of the times when there's a double, I know I'm going to split it there. Summer. This is two syllables. Summer. I can see right here there's that R-controlled vowel like we looked at before. And then right here, there's a closed syllable because it ends in a consonant, this syllable. Some. Short U. Summer. Okay, let's look at one more. Are you ready? Or one more line. Go ahead and write this word on your whiteboard. Let's label the vowels and the consonants. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. This can be a vowel or a consonant. Let's see. I can split it here or here. It's probably more likely gonna be here. Colony, like that. I do know that this first syllable is closed. I can see that it's closed. There we go. I can see that it's closed because it ends in a consonant. Colony. That's a short O. Okay, last one, write it down. Here we go. We have a vowel. Consonant, consonant, vowel. Consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. This end looks crazy. Luckily, I recognize it. I know that ION makes a special sound. It's gonna sound like this. With the S, shun. S-I-O-N or T-I-O-N. There's a couple ways to make that ending. Good thing I recognize that pattern. Let's see. I'm going to split my syllables here. X, pan, shun. Well, this is a closed syllable. Short E. X, see that consonant at the end of the syllable? Let's try this one. Pan. Okay, that's closed too. Look at that, we had two closed syllables because both of them ended with a consonant in that syllable, and it made a short vowel sound. Expansion. Do your words look like this? Were you able to find all the closed syllables with me?